One of the most overlooked places in Charleston is Old College Park, where the River Dogs used to play. Everybody drives past it and nobody notices it. This stadium opened in 1940. The first game ever played was an exhibition between the Cincinnati Reds and the Boston Red Sox, and the first home run ever hit was by Ted Williams. Shoeless Joe Jackson and Ty Cobb have both played in the stadium. Elvis Presley played a concert in the stadium in the 1950s. In 1996, the city of Charleston engineered a land swap with the Citadel to be able to build Joseph P. Riley Jr. Park, and they gave the College Park Stadium to the Citadel. The Citadel still uses it as their practice stadium today. Originally built to house 4,000 people, this stadium also has another unique feature, which being one of the only stadiums in the country to have had dugout level seating. Today, the stadium has had most of its grandstand removed, and those grandstands actually came from Stony Park and were built in 1928. So next time you drive by, think about all of the history that's occurred here at College Park, and think about how much we enjoy the River Dogs in their new stadium today, but their old home is a historic gem just a few blocks away.